In the world of business, an essential step in doing business outside of your home state is obtaining a certificate of authority. For brands planning to extend their operations into New Mexico, the New Mexico Certificate of Authority becomes critical. Before we explain why, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Imagine you're a business owner based in Colorado, and you've decided to extend your operations into the beautiful landscapes of New Mexico. To comply with the state's laws, you'll need to acquire a New Mexico Certificate of Authority. This document is issued by the New Mexico Secretary of State. It authorizes an out-of-state or foreign business entity to conduct operations legally within New Mexico. It's like a passport for your business, granting it the right to operate outside its home jurisdiction. Acquiring the Certificate of Authority involves submitting your company's details, paying a fee, and maintaining a registered agent in New Mexico. This process ensures your business abides by the state's regulations and taxes. The Certificate of Authority not only keeps you on the right side of the law, but it also builds trust and credibility. Potential customers, partners, and even employees often view businesses with this certificate as more legitimate and reliable. Now, let's bring some interesting statistics into the picture. As of 2023, there are approximately 150,000 active businesses in New Mexico. However, only 35% of these are out-of-state businesses with a Certificate of Authority. This means that there's a huge potential market for new entrants looking to expand their reach. Another intriguing fact is that about 60% of these foreign corporations in New Mexico belong to the service industry, followed by retail at 20%. This underlines the vast opportunity that the New Mexico market presents for diverse sectors. So, if you're planning to extend your business operations to the land of enchantment, getting your New Mexico Certificate of Authority is your first order of business. It's your ticket to operating legally and building credibility in this dynamic and diverse market. Now, here's some great news. You're not on your own when it comes to securing a certificate. You can secure one today and avoid the complicated government paperwork by visiting legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the New Mexico Certificate of Authority? Does it make sense to you why the state government requires it? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.